Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 6C Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down again and localize a special number which is called build number, and probably it will be in device identifiers. And as you can see, the build number is at the bottom of the list. So now all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, so let's do it. And now we've got this information that we are in the developer mode. So let's go back to the general list of the settings, and here let's enter the system. And as you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. We've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher which is connected to it. And as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just take a look at this option which is pinned to the top of the screen and tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.